Hey guys, Glenn and Michelle here. We're on our bike ride for the second time, and we're down here at the Cod Canal. We're going to get a little bit of a bike ride here and see how we do. So, hey, we're back to bike riding again, as you know, when we can, with our busy lives and stuff. May not be like before, but we'll see what we can do. All right, so we're going to continue on our bike ride. See you, everybody. Hey guys, Glenn and Michelle here. We're down here at the Herring Run, and let me get this turned around for you if I can. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we're down here at the Herring Run, and we stopped here, get a little break. So we're all here, we're working our way to the side where we're so far we're going to go. Hey guys, Glenn here. Me and Michelle are still on a bike ride. My other phone battery died, so I gotta work off my other one, but now we're getting here. Let me swap. Hold on. Hey guys, Glenn and Michelle here. We're down here at the Scottsdale Beach parking lot, and quite foggy down here. You can only see a short visibility. You can barely see the other side of the canal. That's really crazy. So it was nice at the other end, Buzzards Bay, my house in Picasso. It was nice and sunny, and it was warm. We get down here, it's freezing. We got some new stuff they put in down here. They put some benches down here for everyone to sit at, and they got these new, telling some history of the canal and whatnot, probably. Yeah, look at this. Recreation, explore the opportunities. Yep. So we got that right there, showing you. Here's showing you the canal right here. And it's got all the points of interest along the way. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's a boat ramp and sandwich. You guys recognize that? Been there many a time, huh? Yeah, got all kinds of stuff. Here's some earlier shots. Here's a shot of them building one of the bridges. Can't tell if that's Bourne. It looks like it's maybe the Bourne Bridge. Wow. And there's the control tower where they monitor the canal from. And they can see what's going on. God, there's an early ship coming through the canal. That's an old picture. Yep. Map of Cape Cod Bay right here. Oh, nice aerial view of the canal. Really cool. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. Okay. Some more pictures here, over here. Wow, look at all this. Yeah, really cool. Got a big cruise ship, the World, coming through. Car carrier, I've seen that come through a few times. Yeah, got a couple of Coast Guard ships right here. Fishing trawler probably coming from probably Fairhaven, New Bedford. Wow, this is really nice. Now right here, can't do that. You cannot have a sail up in the canal, not allowed. Has to be motorized. You got to be under motor power. You got to be able to handle that thing coming through. So, wow, cool. All right, so we're down here. There's Michelle over here. We'll check out with her, and we're going to take a break here, and then we're going to start heading back. All right, see you, everybody. Hey guys, Glenn and Michelle here. We're at the Herring Run right now, and give you a look at what's in here. We don't see any herring running just yet, but I would think they would be starting any time now. But
yeah, it says the water temperature is between 40 and 50.
Yeah. So I don't know if there's anything yet or not. I don't really see anything, but not yet. But we'll keep checking though. Okay, see ya. Hey guys, Glenn here. Michelle's seeing the doctor now. She's in the TARDIS. He decided to paint the TARDIS yellow in the front, so he's waiting for her. Here she comes now. Here comes Michelle coming out of the TARDIS. The doctor painted yellow. I know.
Right?
He changed the color of the TARDIS. He made it yellow in the front. He wanted to be more visible. So, alright, we're going to continue bike riding. See ya. Hey guys, Glenn and Michelle here. Just wanted to tell you we got back just in time. Because look, the train bridge is down. So if we can catch the train going across for you. Might be a minute, but I'll catch it when it's coming across. Okay, Sounds like the train's coming. So we'll wait and see. I can hear it clanging over there. So this is the highlight of our end of our ride. Is we have to perfect time for the train to show up. Oh yeah, here she comes. See the headlights coming. See if we can get a little zoom in on it here for you. This is really a cool sight. I've been watching this since I was a kid, and ever since I started coming down here, and oh god, probably the age like 5 or 6, and I've been watching this every time, and it never gets old watching this. Here she comes. Oh yeah. This is only 2 of these bridges in existence. This one, I think the other one's somewhere in New York, I think. I'm not positive, but I think so. That's the only 2 in existence that are actual bridges that are weighted, that it goes up and down. Yeah, check that out. Cool, huh? I love it. Awesome. That is the trash train, if you didn't know that. Probably empty, of course, but might have full loads in the cars, I don't know. They sound empty. That's just an awesome sight to see that every time, though. So this is the end of our ride right here, and we're going to go take our bikes over to the car after this and load them up and head home. Here we go, last one. There we go. Once they're done, he'll make sure that the train's clear, and they'll raise the bridge, put it back up. No, wait for that for you. You'll just hear like a horn sound off, and that'll be them putting the bridge up. Not that horn, of course, but now let's give it a listen. You'll hear the horn before they raise it. Yeah, sounds like they're starting to raise it. Maybe not. That's the horn I was talking about. That lets you know when they're going up or down with the bridge. And she goes slowly descending up. It's exactly, what is it, 2 minutes up, 2 minutes down.
Sounds like a plane taking off.
I know, doesn't it? Even this part never gets old. Just love watching that. It's weights on either side of this bridge that counterweight it to bring it up and down. So it's pretty awesome. Two huge electric motors on either side, up in the very top of those towers. Up top here, there's two electric motors that they rebuilt about 3 or 4 years ago, and so they've been completely rebuilt and they're running good. They repainted the bridge, the whole 9 yards. It looks really good. That's just so cool how that works. And it's weighted just right, so the weights that pull it up and down are weighted just enough so that it doesn't take much for these motors to put it up and down. And it's used every day, you know, probably in the morning early when the train heads onto the Cape, and then like now at night when the train's heading back after it's all done. I don't know how many times a day it goes down, if it's just twice a day. Might be some in between, I'm not sure, I don't remember. I'm not here all the time, so couldn't tell you. Almost there. There she goes, slowing down. Okay, and that's it. She's up. Alright, well, we're done with our ride and we're going to head back to the house now. See you, everybody. Thanks for joining our ride with us.